Sanibona, ngiyanimukela kuleli khasi lethu where the heartbeats of Zulu tradition, culture, fashion, and lifestyle comes to life. From timeless traditions to modern Zulu elegance, we celebrate the beauty, strength, and spirit of Zulu and Ubuntu. Join us as we celebrate our roots and showcase the vibrant essence of our culture. Today, we are diving into the world of Ubuhlalu, Zulu beadwork that tells stories beyond beauty. Beadwork consists of small ornaments made from glass, plastic, or other materials used to create accessories such as bracelets, earrings, rings, necklaces. In Zulu culture, beadwork is not only for decoration, but also plays an important role in tradition and in conveying messages and representing a person's status. Beads are not just about beauty. They represent culture, our history, and the identity of the Zulu nation. Nowadays, beads are used in contemporary fashion, wedding attires, as souvenirs, and artistic creations. Beads are distributed worldwide as part of global fashion across different cultures. Now let's come to the history of the Zulu beads. In the past, the Zulu people made beads from clay, bones, or bird eggs before the introduction of glass beads. The availability of glass beads allowed us to express a wider range of colors and various ways of incorporating cultural meanings. Now, uses of beads. It is used as a symbol of status and identity. Married women and young maidens and young men have different ways of wearing beads. It is also used to express emotions and love. Lovers used to send messages through beads by using different colors. Even today, it's still happening. Most people still follow this beautiful culture of exchanging the gifts of beads with different meanings. Whether you want to start dating somebody, you'll give them a certain piece of bead that you have made to show that you are agreeing to dating that person. And it's also used as decorative accessories representing dignity. Tribal leaders, children, and elders were distinguished by the types of beads they wore. Now let's come to the meaning behind the beadworks. And different colors mean different things. I'll just give you a few examples. Like white, it symbolizes purity and spirituality. Red comes in for love, passion, or war. Green is peace, growth, and prosperity, while yellow is symbolizing wealth and hardship. And lastly, I will share the black, which symbolizes challenges or strength. So beadwork plays a vital role in preserving and expressing Zulu identity and heritage. It is more than just decoration. It serves as a language, a status symbol, and cultural marker. Beadwork is a symbol of identity. Different beadwork patterns and colors represent various Zulu clans, age groups, and marital statuses. Women, men, and children wear specific bead designs that indicate their stage in life. Also, beadwork is used as a cultural communication. Traditionally, beads were used to send messages, especially in courtship, like how I have mentioned before, how one will make a beadwork to hand over as a sign of courtship. Young women will create beautiful beadwork to express love, emotion, and intention without using words. Beadwork is also very important for heritage and tradition. Beadwork has been passed down through generations, serving Zulu customs and beliefs. It is worn during traditional ceremonies such as weddings, initiations, and royal gatherings, which is reinforcing the cultural pride. While beadwork remains deeply rooted in Zulu tradition, it has also evolved into contemporary fashion accessories and global art, making it a symbol of both heritage and innovation. Beadwork is not just an art form, it is a powerful representation of Zulu history, unity, and our pride. I will end today's video here. Please let me know in the comments if you need any more information or clarity on Ubuhlalu, the Zulu beadwork. And also, I would love to know if you have ever worn or seen Zulu beadwork. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cultural stories. Phusha isiko, qhakaza ngobuhle bakho bakwaZulu. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.